Welcome to Webstyle Press. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. I am a team lead. You can call me tech lead as well. I manage front-end developers team. I train juniors. I have to make sure that everybody in team is at same page and following standards. I have to make sure that every team member writes reusable code that is on standard pattern and best practices. IDE preference for coding, and the way you write code in that IDE can tell if you're a good developer or not. A good developer takes care of aesthetics of code writing. I see even senior developers not taking care of few things that can help them manage a lot in less space. In my opinion, Sublime Text is good code editor if your PC is running on low resources. If your PC is good, there is no reason to not choose Visual Studio Code. I can write an essay on how Visual Studio Code Editor is best code editor, but that is for later. I will mention only three things here. If you are a web developer and I see you not taking care of these 3 points, I will never consider you a better web developer. Period. Those 3 things are proper indentation, tab size, and word wrap in code editor. Please make sure you take care of these things. Indentation is of course very important, and first most important thing, indent your code properly. Look at this document. Currently tab size is 4 and word wrap is off. In this setting, I have to horizontally scroll document to see long paragraphs. Also tab size is 4. More tab size will push new lines further. This is tab size. It can be increased or decreased. Set tab size to 2 and enable word wrap. From Visual Studio Code, you can go to settings, then user settings, and add these 2 lines to set these 2 things, editor.tabsize and editor.wordwrap. I will set tab size to 2 and this word wrap to on. Save. And as you can see, there is no horizontal scroll now. I can see whole paragraph in this line now. Also, the spaces have been decreased here. You can also set tab size from bottom of Visual Studio Code by clicking here spaces 2 or tab size 2 and then selecting indent using tabs. Then you can select 2 instead of 4. If I selected 4, you can see the extra spacing here that is ugly. So use 2 for tab size. By using these settings, you will have more visibility of your code in less space. So I will repeat my points. Number 1, proper indentation. Number 2, tab size to 2 and word wrap to on. Let me know your thoughts in comments. Give this video a like, subscribe to channel and press bell icon. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.